What's up, traders? Thinkorswim down again today, as well as the ISW scanners. Again, data feed issues for both. Only assuming that. I know it's for a fact for ISW, but for TOS, I'm just assuming it's going to be the same thing. We did, however, get two trades, JD and BE. Let's get to it. All right, traders. So I want to start off with saying that Brian from Intensity Stockwatch Scanners, he literally took the day off today to make sure that this does not happen again. Once, it sucks, but it's okay. But if it happens twice, let alone 2 days in a row, that's unacceptable. So he's working on getting everything switched over to hopefully be up and running for tomorrow. And if I know him, he's going to make that happen. So Thinkorswim, however, they're kind of known for just being crap, and they're, kind of living up to the name. So they're I don't know what they're gonna do. They keep telling people to log in via the web as well as via, let me actually pull up their Twitter. They put in, you may be temporarily unable to log into Thinkorswim desktop platform. We apologize for the inconvenience. In the meantime, please access your account through Thinkorswim web or Thinkorswim mobile. And as you can see, a lot of these comments, nothing works. Like, what don't you get? A lot of people just commenting like, yo, nothing's working, Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim, not exactly on good terms with a lot of people. I know a lot of people are saying they're going to be switching brokers. They're just losing out big time these past 2 days. And really, this is just kind of the icing on the cake, I believe, because they've had so many issues in the past. And now this is really just, I think, what everyone needed to kind of push them away for good. Your charts can be great and they're free essentially, but if you can't really trade or keep the charts up, people are going to look elsewhere. So kind of shame on them. But without the scanners, it was tough again for us because that's kind of what we rely on for our trades. So with the data feed being down there, we ended up taking two trades kind of based off of just watching other people trade in the market. And JD was one of them. Had a huge extension from yesterday. Pre-market highs here. Nice little extension right out of the gate. We ended up getting short there at 71. We had, I believe on the daily, it was actually at all-time highs. So we were playing off all-time highs there. Just playing. We played really small share size today again because I was not about to take trades that I wasn't 100% confident in because, hey, you guys know me. I like the scanners. The scanners work, so I like to take my plays right off of them. Just a small winner there in JD and BE. This one was right after 11 o'clock. As you can't see the trade log, but I'll pull it up here real quick. The trade itself, I got into the trade at 11:02. And my rules state that I can't take a trade after 11. And I almost just switched it to paper so I could still get the practice. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to take the trade. I'm a little frustrated. Second day in a row, I wasn't really trading. And so I just took it with smaller share size. We jumped in at 24s. We kind of felt the top there. There was a level on the daily that we had marked off. It was right around 17. So I knew this thing had some room. So just wanted to make sure I gave it some room. It was a nice quick move on some volume. And we had a decent entry, but it just kept getting bought up. If we zoom in here, even though we had this nice previous resistance all the way down here, every time it tried to get shoved down, it just kept getting bought up. And then finally, it gave us, that opportunity. It looked like it was curling here. It found the bottom on this candle here. We had to order at 1605 just to take it off, but we didn't quite get there. Got the 1612, and it started to come back up, and I saw it go to our break-even point, so we just took it off. And obviously, it did eventually get down there, and it would have gave us our fill. But I was just so impatient today. I wasn't really feeling it. I was never really in the mood because I didn't have my scanners. So I am very reliant on those, and hopefully they'll be back up and running tomorrow. But story of the day, Thinkorswim, they need to figure it out because if they don't, they're going to lose a lot of business. And also, take a look at the SPY. Would the SPY have hit all-time highs if Thinkorswim was up and running, right? We literally got within a penny. The high is 339.08 back there in whatever day it was. Right there, February 19th. That was the all-time high, 339.08. It literally got to the penny, 1 penny away, 339.07, and got absolutely rejected. So if Thinkorswim was up, would that have helped? I've also noticed that even just looking through a lot of the tickers that are moving, they're not really getting that punch like we're used to, those intense moves. And a lot of it might have to do with Thinkorswim being down there. They have a huge user base, which makes me believe that they're going to lose a lot of business throughout this endeavor with it being down these past 2 days. So That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Always appreciate that support. If you guys do have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.